Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to automate your Dokan workflows using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a workflow in BitFlows by connecting multiple platforms with Dokan and automate the entire process. So, I will use Dokan as the trigger node to automatically send vendor-created data to ActiveCampaign and Google Sheets at the same time. After a specified time delay, the same data will be sent to WhatsApp. Let's get started. After completing all the setup, please click on the Test Flow Once button. Then select Use Existing Data option to run a test. Once your flow is successfully executed with the existing data, please check the logs for more details. After a 2-minute delay, the data was successfully delivered to the WhatsApp node. That's how you can easily automate your Dokan workflows using BitFlows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.